Let me show you how to change the Google Chrome language on your iPhone. Now, if you're on your iPhone and you don't like the language for everything that pops up, including all the websites and the news articles, you can always switch it to a different language than what's currently default. I'll show you how to do it. Now, of course, the first step is open up the Google Chrome app on your iPhone, but keep in mind you can also do this on an Android or an iPad or anything else. It works the exact same. Now from here, let's change that language by tapping on those three dots at the very bottom, right? And then we need to get to the settings for the Google Chrome app. From here, you can see at the toolbar, password manager, history, etc. We need to swipe over until you see the settings or gear icon and just tap on that. After you've done that, you'll be able to see I'm logged into my account. When you make this change, it'll just be for that specific Google account. So make sure you're signed in and then scroll down to the bottom and you can see languages here. Just tap on that. Now you can see my default is English, United States, and it says never translate. I'm going to hit add a language here and you can either just scroll through or let's say I just wanted to search and I'm going to search for Spanish here and I'm going to search for Spanish, United States and add that. However, if I want to change the default language, I need to remove the old language first. So you can see that old language, English, I'm going to just swipe to the left and I can hit that delete button. After I've done that, just hit the check button. And you might want to completely close out of the Chrome app and then open it back up again, and that language will be changed. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. Thanks, guys.